Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you more about Jumaworkers. Now I've got quite a lot of queries on my WhatsApp on how you can explore this platform, and my candid advice for you is that you should just explore it. In my last video that I talk about Jumaworkers, I told you guys that I don't have the time for micro jobs, but if you have the time you can check it out. But then some people still come into my DM and ask me how they can go about it. My whole is that you should just try and explore the platform. It's if it has your own earning potential. For me, it's not going to meet up my own earning potential, right? So today we are going to I saw something very, very interesting when I checked the platform again this afternoon, and I thought to share with you. Right now, these are the micro jobs, right? These are the micro jobs you can check out. If it's, I mean, the money are so small, you will see 0.08, 0.15. But if you can do it, you are going to get paid for it, right? Now, something is very, very funny. I'm going to show you something now before I show you what I actually intend to show you. And about over 80 people sign up with my link, but they couldn't do anything on the platform. And that just now look at what I'm showing here. You will see 86 invitees, $172. None of it is claimable because everyone that comes in the platform that comes on the platform through my invite links, they didn't do anything. The thing is, there is no free money anywhere. I mean, there is no free money anywhere. If you want to make money, you have to be able to put in the required effort for you to make that money, right? Anyway, let me just get to what I'm going to show you today. Now, this platform, it has opportunities for you if you know how to utilize it. Now, take a look at this. They have hiring jobs, they have micro jobs, they have paid surface and offers. Now, these three things are what could pay you on this platform. You could go for their hiring jobs, you could do their micro jobs, and you could check out their surveys and offers. Now, what I want to show you in this video is their hiring jobs. Now, look at this, finding hiring jobs. Now, I come across this morning. I was like, wow, you can. They have about 5 offers at the moment. Now, if you have any of these skills, if you have any of this skill, it's something you can apply for. Now, the first one here is educational tutorial video. They want you to do something around that, web scraping and B2B lead generation. Build an amazing YouTube thumbnail at the highest quality. Write professional Android app description, ASO friendly for Google Play apps. Optimize YouTube video SEO for top ranking. Now, if you can do any of this thing, now you'll be paid per tax $10, $12, $3, 12 and 3.5. The thing is, if you want to make money online, you must have learned a particular skill, and then when the opportunity for that skill comes, then you use it, and that's how you make money in the online space. Nothing just comes for free. You have to be ready to put in the required effort. Now, I click on some of this work now. For example, I can still handle this building YouTube thumbnail. Now look at this. If I accept this, I can accept this job like right now. I'm not ready to do it, so I'm not going to accept it. I'm just going to show you. If you have interest, you go ahead to the platform and accept job and see if it is something you can do. Now you have look, this is the description of the job. You have to create an high caching YouTube thumbnail that communicate the best starting point for aspiring web design freelancers. I mean, you can just check out the platform, check the job description. Now, if for your sake, I'm going to click accept this job now. I'm not sure of what it's going to bring. I'm just bringing to you that you can explore this platform and see if it has your own earning potential. I mean, what all of us want to earn is different. I can't sit down with cent 2 cent job, and I can't sit down with that. I'm only showing you that, like, I'm repeating myself that I'm only showing you because over time I've seen people come into my DM like, how now somebody still asked me recently, like, how much can he earn on the platform? I'm like, How am I going to know how much you can earn on the platform? Just go ahead and try it out. If it's okay for you, good. So I'm going to click on accept this job now. Okay. This job is no longer taking new submissions. You'll be notified when there's anyone. Now that is it. But you can just keep trying. You can keep trying. You can check other ones out. Check if there is any opportunity for you there. And that's just it. Now let's take a look at their paid surveys and offers. Now take a look at this. All of this platform are looking for people that will answer few questions. That is what survey is all about. They will pull up some questions for you to answer, and you answer those questions. And as you answer those questions, there's going to be a reward for you to answer those questions. So you can just check it out, guys. Just check it out. If it is okay for you, then you go ahead and give it a try. All right, that's going to be that about this video. Now to those that actually you want to build a sustainable online business. If you want to build a sustainable online business, I'm going to be leaving a link to a webinar also in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out if it resonates with you. Like, I beg you, watch the webinar, make sure that it resonates with you before you come into my DM and start asking questions that I might not know how to answer, right? So let's do that. Please, I beg you, don't come into my DM and ask me, is this real? Is this not real? If you are sure that it doesn't resonate with you, just let it go. But if you really want to build something that lasts, like do what I'm doing right now, I'm into affiliate marketing, digital marketing right now. If you want to build something that is going to last, check out that webinar. It's going to be a link to a website, and in that website you are going to be seeing the webinar. Take your time to watch the webinar. And I'm going to say this again: if you want to make money, you must be ready to put in the required effort. Like, nobody just makes money by mistake. There has to be step by step that there have to be steps that you're going to take to get to where you are going, right? If you want to become a medical doctor, you don't become that medical doctor by wishing it. You have to go to school, go to medical school, do what is required of you before you be. So if you want to make money at the same thing, don't just wish that I want to make money because they say they're making money online and they want to. No, you have to calm yourself down, learn about what you're supposed to learn. Now, from what I show you, you must have skill that you offer. Money is an exchange of value. So if you don't have a value to offer, then no money is coming. But if you can calm down, learn what you're supposed to learn, then a lot of money is going to come to you. And that is going to be doubt about this video. Make sure you subscribe, like my video. If you want me to do more, if you want me to show you those platform that you can make few bucks from. See you guys.